Hey guys, so we are over at Harrah's Cherokee in Cherokee, North Carolina. We are staying in one of the king rooms in the Creek Tower. If you didn't already know, there's actually a couple different, I believe 4 different towers at Harrah's Cherokee. This is the Creek Tower. Previously, we have reviewed the SoCo Tower, which main differences is SoCo usually has some kind of tub. See, the Creek Tower has the shower stall, and you actually have this kind of creek rock on the carpet, which was kind of pretty. You still have obviously the fridge and the microwave, a little bit more open to the room as opposed to the mountain tower. Now the SoCo tower is a bigger square footage, so do want to say that, but you still have, of course, lighting plugs. That was ample. We used a little bench for our luggage, the drawers, TV. The TV was the same size. Of course, lots of drawer space. Everything's kind of a little bit more in like a dresser cabinet situation in the SoCo tower. And again, we've got the alarm clock. Lighting was actually nice. Having this little couch was nice. Didn't use it that much because it definitely felt like it was a little sectioned off from the rest of the room. Did have a nice view of the mountains, as you can see here, and the rest of the resort. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.